Britax launched the first ISOFIX system in cooperation with VW in 1997. The ISOFIX system has now become a global standard. Research has shown that only 30% of child seats are installed correctly when using an adult seatbelt, whereas 96% are installed correctly when using the ISOFIX system. ISOFIX is an international fitting system which provides the safest, simplest and quickest method of a correct installation of a child seat without using a seatbelt. These are located between the backrest and base of the vehicle seat cushion. ISOFIX provides a rigid anchor point to the car's chassis. The ISOFIX latches simply plug into the vehicle chassis. Now let's look at how this works. Not all ISOFIX child seats are the same. Only Britax have the unique patented pivot link ISOFIX system for optimum safety. Unlike standard ISOFIX connections, Britax ISOFIX with pivot link rotates in the opposite direction at impact. Let's compare the benefits of the pivot link with a standard ISOFIX child seat. Let's take a look at this in more detail. In the standard ISOFIX seat, the child's head is thrown forward in one motion, whereas the pivot link causes the child seat to move in two stages. In the first stage, most of the force is transmitted downwards into the vehicle seat cushion. In the second stage, the child seat moves forward more gently as the energy has already been absorbed. Pivot link reduces the risk of head contact with the vehicle interior and dissipates energy more efficiently. Britax for a safer journey. Britax are the car seats of choice in 83% of cars when tested in Euro NCAP. Britax exceeds industry standards and customers' expectations, not only ensuring that all their products are safe, but makes them safer than anyone says they have to be.